Kohl Outdoors. Today I am going to teach you guys how to make a tackle trunk for your kayak. So let's get going, let's have some fun, and let's make one of these. You're going to need a crate of some sort, some rod holders, and some tackle boxes. These are panel 3700 series, so let's open up the container and let's make this. In this step, I'm going to put the rod holder on the actual crate using zip ties. I'm using four ties. I'm going to be using 4 ties. So let's. As you can see, I have leftover straps in there, so I'm going to get a pair of scissors and cut those little pieces. I'm currently snipping those little pieces off in here, getting rid of the tails. Insert our tackle boxes in here. And that is basically all it is to building your tackle crate for your kayak. And just to show you what it looks like, with fishing poles and everything in there, we'll put fishing poles in there for you guys to see. As you now can see, I can have the ability to take a bunch of tackle with me and 3 rods. And I'll probably put 3 more rods on both sides there, for I can take up to 9. But it just does not take very much for space up. It fits in your back of your kayak just fine. And this was how you make one of these. If you guys are interested in more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask them, and I will get back to your comments. Thank you.